Methods of qualitative research. Initially, they were classified into two types: qualitative data collection research and quantitative data collection research. Qualitative means which is discusses about the meaning, nature, definition, and importance of data collection. And quantitative data collection, which is discusses about the numbers and figures. That is called as quantitative data collection method. So these qualitative data collection method, they were classified into 6 types: one-on-one interview and focus groups, ethnographic research, case study research, record keeping, and process of observation. These 6 are relating to qualitative research method. Qualitative research method. First, we should know about the definition of qualitative research. Qualitative research is defined as a market research method that focuses on obtaining data through open-ended and conventional communication. Open-ended and conventional communication. This method is not only about what people think but also why think so. For example, consider a convenience store looking to improve its patronage in this research. That is called as qualitative research method. A brief explanation about the qualitative research methods. Qualitative research methods are designed in a manner that they help reveal the behavior and perception of a target. Whatever behavior and perception of a scholar that must be mentioned. Audience with reference to a particular topic. Audience with a reference to a particular topic according to scholars. Qualitative research methods originated in the social and behavioral sciences. Social and behavioral sciences. First, we should discuss about the one-on-one interview. That is always depends on face-to-face direct interview based on observers or interviewer may raise several questions in this in-depth detail interview. In this in-depth detail interview regarding this method. One-on-one interview. Conducting in-depth interviews is the one of the most common qualitative research method. In-depth interview. So researcher may trying to seek more information from the respondents. Then he should follow in-depth interview method. Then only he can gather more information from the respondents. And it is a personal interview that is carried out with one respondent at a time. It is like a personal interview method. In this moment, a researcher can concentrate on a single respondent, and he can collect information from single respondent. These interviews can be performed face to face or on phone, and usually can be last between half an hour. It may take half an hour, 1 hour, more than 2 hours. Like that, they may organize interviews in this case study, in this one-on interview method. And second one is focus groups. Focus group is also one of the commonly used qualitative research method, which is commonly using qualitative research methods used in data collection. A focus group usually includes a limited number of respondents. A focus group usually includes a limited number of respondents, 6 to 10, from within your target market. Whatever target has been fixed in this focus group, group members must be limited 6 to 10. And then ethnographic research. Ethnographic research is the most in-depth observation method. It is in-depth observation method. Whatever incident, event or occasion that must be examined by the scholar, analyzed by the scholar, in-depth analysis that studies people in their naturally occurring environment, whatever environment they belongs, and also aims to understand the cultures, challenges and motivators and settings occurs. These are relating to ethnographic research. Number 4, case study research. Case study is one of the important qualitative data collection research method. So in-depth detailed study is possible in single occasion or particular event or organization. The case study method has evolved over the first few years and developed as into a valuable qualitative research method. There is possibility to analyze about the single event or program thoroughly and endlessly. Possibility to study about the data. And next one, record keeping. This method makes use of the already existing reliable documents. Keeping reliable documents, whatever documents maintained by the scholars, officials, they are evidences to scholars or researchers, existing reliable documents and similar sources of information or as the data source. That is record keeping. These are already existing available data for the researchers, reliable original data. And sixth one is process of observation. Qualitative observation is a process of research. Qualitative observation is a process of research that uses subjective methodologies to gather systematic information or data. The qualitative observation is primarily used to equate quality differences. So process of observation means that may be direct observation or indirect observation. It may be participant observation, non-participant observation. So process of observation that is also one of the qualitative data collection research method.